Meaning of forward.
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 Forward. Forward is a verb that indicates the direction of movement in a positive or progressive manner. It can be used in various contexts, such as forwarding an email or package to someone else, advancing towards a goal, or moving in a particular direction. The result of forwarding something is that it is sent or moved towards a specific destination, either physically or conceptually. Additionally, forward can also describe a way of thinking or acting that emphasizes progress and growth. Overall, forward implies movement towards a desired outcome or goal.